This is a gorilla tag. Elevator ride. Bro, that person, the pink monkey right over there is so good at singing. Hold on, let me. I want this to be smooth. Yeah, there. Gorilla tag. Elevator ride. So, Stomp City or Ghost Reactor. We're already in City. Let's go to Ghost Reactor. Bro, my game always glitches when going to Ghost Reactor. It just always glitches because it has to change to this cool setting. It's just super cool. Hi.
Okay, this is got a warning. This is not fair.
Yeah.
Oh, how do I make it? Well, you gave a voice warning for big down.
So that's my gorilla tag elevator ride. Next video that I make is either gonna be a Yeeps video or another gorilla tag video. I don't know yet. Let's go try to find a Doug the Bug.
Is that coming? Is that coming?
Oh, Doug the Bug Monster.
Is that coming?
Where are you? You go ahead. Oh no, the storm's coming.
Monkeys!
Alright, we're good.
You know what? Let's just die to these guys.
I know where I'm going.
Yep.
I know where I'm going.
Bro.
Creep claw my ass.
Finally. So yeah.
It's getting in there.
Bye.
No, man.